Hi everyone! So, ayan na, nilagay ko na yung form. Ito na yung form kung ano yung i-fill out niyo and then yung yes or no from the N400. And please make sure that you're going to watch the full video so you can understand it better and just let me know or just comment if you have any questions. Okay? Thank you and have a good day. Okay, if you want to file online, just log into your account and go to my USCIS, and then here is your how you're going to file online. Go to your my account and then file a form online, N400 application for naturalization, and read all the instructions. Ayan, kung makikita nyo naman. Ayan, di ba? Dinadahan-dahan ko para makita nyo. So, yung mga requirements, yung eligibility mo, yung 3 years rule na pagdating mo dito sa US, pwede ka nang mag-apply. So, for example, dumating ka dito ng August 15 of 2021, then August 2024, pwede ka nang mag-apply. So, as long as nasa 3 years rule ka na kasal sa husband mo and yung pagpunta mo dito, yun, mag-start yun. So, ayan yung filing fee. So, makikita nyo naman sa screen recorder na ginawa ko. So, yan yung fee, documents you may need, biometric service appointment. And after you submit your application, you can track your status. That is what I did. So, ayan na, and then attend your interview. At meron akong ginawang video about that. Interview and oath-taking. Check my blog. So, makikita nyo naman, mas maganda ko mag-file online. Ako, ginawa ko, nag-file ako online para mas mabilis nilang ma-process. And honestly, mabilis talaga nilang na-process. So, ayan lang, i-fill out nyo lang yung form, your legal name, alias, if you'd like to change your name, I said no. I'm good with my name. And then, what is your date of birth? Ayan, meron ka bang adoptive parents? You said no. What is your country of birth? Could be Philippines or any country kung saan ka pinanganak. And then, what is your country of citizenship? Ayan, if you're lower permanent resident. What is your A number? So, makikita nyo naman, naka-circle naman, di ba? Yung, kung ano yung A number. So, ilagay nyo lang. And then, if you want your social security to be updated. Right? Yeah. Ako, nag-yes ako. Para, tapos na. Tapos, ilagay mo lang yung social security. Tapos, yung USIS online account number. Login ka lang sa account mo. Tapos, your gender, of course, female. And then, you're not Hispanic or Latino. But if you are, just click Hispanic or Latino. And then, fill out those information. Diba? And then, kung meron kang, ayan nga, ilagay mo lang dyan lahat ng information, please. Include mo lahat ng information mo, yung previous job, and then, yung mga dapat ilagay, fill out mo yan. Kasi alam nila yan, bago ka nagkaroon ng interview, or oath-taking, or what, alam na nila yan, nasa harap na nila yan habang ini-interview ka. Ayan, have you ever claimed? So, ever. Ayan. Basahin nyo lang yan mabuti. Please make sure that you understand it very well. So, ayan. Nakikita nyo naman yung questions na nandyan. Diba? So, sagutin nyo lang yan. And kung meron kayong, yung for example, questions na sa tingin nyo mahirap sa inyo ang word, i-research nyo. Kasi baka possible na itanong yan sa inyo during your interview. Mas maganda na yung laging ready. Ako, lahat pinag-aralan ko. So, civic test, yung yes or no from N400, ayan na nga, yes or no. Tapos, kung sa tingin ko merong word na medyo mahirap sa akin or mahirap i-explain, re-research ko talaga or tanong nyo sa husband nyo or partner nyo para ma-explain nila yung in easy way or yung word na hindi complicated at mabilis nyong maintindihan. So, ayan na. Kung makikita nyo naman, focus kayo. Make sure na intindihan nyo yung bawat word kasi baka itanong yan sa inyo during your interview. Okay? Kasi tinatanong talaga yung yes or no. Pag ini-interview ka, yung civic test and 400, tapos yung iba, nakaka-experience na tinatanong kung naiintindihan mo ba tong word na to, ano tong word na to. For example, ganon. For example, do you understand what is cited? Advocated. So, make sure na naintindihan mo siya. Tapos, kung meron kang crime or offense or nangyari, kailangan mong ilagay kasi alam talaga nila yan. Be honest sa fill out mo kasi malalaman nila yan. Alam na nila ang record mo. Kaya nga, it takes a few months kasi chine-check nila talaga yan. So, please make sure na yung totoo lang ang ilalagay mo dito. If you do not speak Tagalog, then you can just read what's on the video. And then, as you can see, I said yes or no. I answered yes or no on the questions. So, just follow all the instructions and then please make sure that you really understand what's going on and whatever it is on the website or questions. Do you understand the full oath of allegiance? Yes. Yes, answer yes. Make sure that you will answer it yes. So, as you can see, there's a yes or no, and you're just going to choose one. If the law requires, are you willing to perform non-combat? Of course, yeah, that's yes. So, evidence about your marriage, please include all the evidence. I submitted all the documents that I have, like pictures, joint bank and credit card statements. You have to upload it. I did December 2021, December 2022, December 2023, and yung two recent na joint bank statements namin. Kasi ang kailangan lang i-upload is 5. It says upload no more than 5 documents at a time. So, ayun. Green card, health card. It's always nice. Of course, passport, biographic of your husband, and your marriage certificate. Include those informations. You really need to check that out. Make sure that you have everything ready. Upload everything and bring the hard copy of all of your documents. Kasi it's always nice na dala-dala mo, dan tanungin ka nila tapos wala kang maibigay or hindi mo sinubmit and then tatanungin ka pa nila at of course mas lalong haba yung process ng application mo for US citizenship. So, ayun, additional evidence you want to provide, it's up to you if you want to provide additional evidence. But basta yung akin, ayan, kung makikita nyo sa video, additional information that you need to include or put or tell them. So, ayan na, makikita nyo, diba? Ayan. Make sure yung green card nyo, ilagay nyo rin ha. Yung upload nyo, baka mamaya din nyo ilagay. Ilagay nyo yan ha. So, makikita nyo naman kung ano nasa pictures. And then, your signature, please make sure that you're going to put your full legal name. Yan. Ayan. Tapos, kung magkano yung babayaran nyo, ako, same day, nakuha ko din naman, debit card, through debit card ang binayaran ko. Tapos, pag-submit ko, for example, today at 12 a.m., at 12 a.m. din na okay naman siya. So, print nyo lang yung application nyo. Tapos, ayan yung case tracker na ginamit ko. Bye!